Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to show you that how you can merge or combine multiple PDF files into one PDF. So the method that I'm going to show you right now, that's online method. We're going to use an online website which is available for free where you can combine or merge PDF files into one PDF. Let's continue.
PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now.
So you need to open up the website which is combinepdf.com. I will paste the link in the video description below. So these websites provide, combining multiple PDF files or images as well into one single PDF, and it allows us to around 20 PDF files or images that we can upload and we can convert or combine into one PDF. So how we do that? So here's the option. So you just need to upload the files here. Click on this upload files button and locate your PDF files. Like I have three sample PDFs here with page 1, 2, and 3. So I'll bring up them all, selecting three files for demonstration here, opening up here. So now if you see that all the files have been uploaded here on this page, and if you see the sequence, it's page 3, 1, 2. So maybe you need to, put your combination of PDFs in a sequence you would like to have it in order in the combined one, so you can drag and drop with the page 1, page 2, page 3 for me. So just check with your PDF files and just drag according to it and make it order. Once you are done, just need to click on combine option here and it will process very quickly, and you can see here it's converted and open the files here in the browser itself. So this is the one, page 1, page 2, and page 3. So we have three pages and those are done.